just want Wyatts to respect the law and follow the law.
When it comes to Wyatts Towing, many around town can tell you a story of being towed. Andrea Flor, director at Justice for the People Legal Center, says under the state's Towing Bill of Rights, many claims of unfair towing are spot on.
We know this is affecting thousands and thousands of people in Colorado. This is the biggest towing company in the state, and we want to make sure that everyone gets the justice they deserve.
Flor says the legal nonprofit filed a class action lawsuit against Wyatts Towing and its parent company, Towing Holdings, saying they're raking in tens of millions of dollars annually by unlawfully towing thousands of vehicles across the state. Haley Howe's case is at the center of the lawsuit after she parked at a friend's apartment over the summer.
A few hours later, her car was gone, and she had specifically parked in guest parking. She did not park in a reserved parking spot, not a handicap parking spot, wasn't blocking any entries.
Flor says Howe wasn't given 24 hours notice, wasn't in a reserved spot, and Wyatts hadn't been able to provide pictures of the tow, in violation of the Towing Bill of Rights. And yet, court records say it cost Howe nearly $400 to get her car back.
It's not unique what she experienced. It seems like Wyatts is trying to sort of skirt the 24-hour notice requirement by kind of creating loopholes.
Flor says this suit seeks to get Howe's money back and do the same for others in situations just like hers.
We've seen in the past that a lot of companies, they don't do what's right until they're forced to do that. And unfortunately, we've had to take this step.
But beyond that, she says they hope it sends a message that Wyatts and towing operators around the state have to follow the law.
If there's no consequences for Wyatts, real tangible consequences, these abuses are going to continue. And so that's really what we're trying to prevent.
And just in the past 20 minutes, we got a response from attorneys representing Wyatts Towing. They say Wyatts makes every effort to follow the law in every situation, saying any mistakes are extremely rare. They add this suit appears to lack any factual basis and say they're confident it will not be successful.
They certainly have been in the news as of late, and there are a lot of people that have a story to share.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of frustration from folks.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Rachel.